Dennis, what up, brother? Something I continue to be infinitely grateful for is up to hearing you sharing that. I made you feel that way and made you feel like you wanted to share that back with me, man. This is what it's all about. Man, you just made my heart smile so big, brother, and I do appreciate you. And it was an absolute pleasure meeting you, brother.
This mountain's never ending. Just seems so much to push through. We'll inspire the message. We'll press on within. One foot before the other. One foot at a time. One reason left to conquer these roads on which we climb.
The universe will make it its point for us to cross paths again. You will be the first person to hit up, man. Peace, love, blessings. Be well, brother. Take care, okay?